Hi, I'm Vini. Today, we are going to learn how to create multiple nested models using a single form like this one here. A form for creating a new project, where I can add sprints, and for each sprint, you can add tasks. Let's use Rails and StimulusJS to create a generic and reusable solution. So, let's go! We have three normal scaffold CRUDs: project, sprints, and tasks. Project has many sprints. Sprints has many tasks. At this point, we can create each one of them individually. In order to create everything at the same time, we can use nested attributes. It's a Rails feature connecting models, controllers, and views. It will help us to achieve this. First, you specify in the parent model, project, the child model, sprint, that we want to create, at the same time in the parent form, using this method here. This ignores the case where the user doesn't type anything in the sprint name. And this allows the user to also remove existing sprints using the project form. Now, in the project view form, use this thing here, builds form. It iterates through the sprints array and creates a form builder for each one of them. It can do this thanks to this definition in the model. At this point, if we go to the project form, I can create a sprint because the initial sprints array is empty. Hey, just for testing, let's insert 3 sprints here in the view. Now, you can create a project with 1, 2, or 3 sprints. If you don't type anything, it will ignore the item thanks to this option here. Now, take a good look. This will generate a code like this one here. This means that the controller will receive a request with a parameter like this. So, in the controller, you need to authorize an array in the sprints attributes field, like this. After that, I can create a project with 1, 2, or 3 sprints. Now, we need to make the edit and update actions work, right? Of course not! They are already working. Nice! Okay, but how can I remove a sprint? The removal part is easy. You just need to send in the request a underline destroy attribute for the item that you want to delete. We can do that with a checkbox. Also, don't forget to authorize this attribute in the controller. And it's working. Nice! Now, we need to make the add sprint button. We can do that by leaving an empty sprint form inside a template tag. Note that this option here, child index, allows us to override the index number from the input name with anything we want. With that in mind, we can use a stimulus controller that uses this template tag to add a new sprint form when you click this add button. It will add to this target list. It is smart enough to replace our custom child index with a new number. Don't worry, the index doesn't have to follow a specific increment. So, it is fine. If you want the code, the link is in the description. What about the tasks? Just add nested attributes in the sprint model, put the nested tasks form in the sprint form, the same way we have done before, attach a new stimulus controller for creating a new task, go to the Rails controller to allow the task's attributes property inside a sprint. And it's working. Very nice. I invite you to play with this feature by creating subtasks, or even better, using an infinite level of subtasks. See you in the next sprint.